arrived. Smooth sailing flight. Honestly, this was my first time I slept through like a majority of the flight, so it was really quick for me. I feel like I get a lot of flight anxiety, but today I just like knocked out. Now we're gonna go pick up our car. Hey guys, we're here. Checked in, ready to go. This is so nice. Room tour. And we got the whole view. Oh wait, I'm so scared of heights. Nice. Look at the windows fully open. It's so nice. Like the view is amazing. I'm like just really scared because like looking down, it's kind of scary. I have to stand pretty far. Oh my gosh. Yay. This is my first time in Chinatown, and there's so much food and fresh vegetables and fruits. I'm really excited to try it. We just ordered a soursop smoothie because she said it was in season, so we're gonna try that, and I'll let you know how it is. It's not like too sweet. I think they didn't put like any sugar in it. It's like all natural. It's really yummy. It tastes like a haichu. It's really good. We're still waiting for our poke. I think this is a good time. That was a good. It's like so hot. I needed a smoothie. Yes. Okay, let's try. The line was a little long, but it went pretty fast. So I'm like actually so hungry. Where can I? Where do I put you guys? Cheers! Is it good?
It's delicious.
Salmon? Oh my god. That is so good. Oh my god. That's like... Wait, that's actually so good. It's like so fresh and so creamy. Oh my god. Did you eat the mochi?
That sounds good.
Oh my god. Guys, this is like the freshest poke I've ever had in my life. Wow.
It's super fresh.
Oh my god, so good. You guys have to come here. No cap. We're at the mall. We're trying to find myself some flip-flops because I did not pack any. So I'm on the hunt for like a good comfy pair that I can wear around. I want to be able to wear it to the beach, but also make it look like cute and comfy and chic. So let's see if we can find that at the mall. No plans, just vibes and just exploration. I feel like Hawaii is so beautiful and pretty that like you can never go wrong with anywhere that you land. Hey guys, I am so tired. I barely slept last night. We had to come here really early, so I'm very jet lagged and I didn't get to sleep much throughout the night and even on the plane, so I think I'm going to take a little break. We did just come back from the mall. I did find 2 pairs of flip-flops because it's buy one get one free. They convinced me to. And now I'm just gonna rest before we go out and explore again. But I wanted to show you guys, I got my nails done. I haven't got my nails done in so long because I feel like it gets really expensive and I just don't have the budget for that. But look at this. Ta-da! Aren't these the cutest nails ever? Oh my gosh. Like I asked for something like very whimsy and colorful because I just feel like this is me as nails. Like it's so cute and I'm just really happy. Every time I look at myself, I'm like doing my thing and then I'm looking at my nails, I'm like, oh my god, so cute. I'm like, oh my gosh, so cute and so whimsy. So I'm really happy right now, but I'm gonna take a nap because even though I have cute nails, I'm still tired. We got ourselves a nice patty melt and creamy tomato soup, and we're gonna eat it together. It started raining while we were out, so we decided to eat it at home. And also, there was no seating, so we decided to eat at home. Cheers. Oh, that's delicious. I go first. Cheers. You're gonna love this.
Oh yeah.
Totally your style. Guys, I also think I'm like literally an old lady because I literally just landed, had poke, and now I have really bad indigestion. So I had to take a Tums. I love shiso leaf. It's so good. We just went for a swim. I did not bring my phone because I didn't want to worry about it getting stolen. But guys, look at my hair. This has so much like salt and like sand in it. It feels really stiff. I guess the waves are really coming through. I'm gonna just take a rinse and just wash the salt out though because it's a little bit too much for me. But guys, the water was so beautiful. I'm having so much fun. I was a little anxious when I got here because like travel anxiety and stuff. Okay guys, for lunch we got more poke because you can never go wrong with poke in Hawaii. Is it good?
Yeah.
Which one's better, yesterday or this one?
All the fish is the same.
Same?
Let's
try it. I got hamachi, shoyu I think, and then Hawaiian style ahi poke. Cheers! Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, very fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, hamachi's really good.
Yeah.
No, it's really good. It's like very fresh.
I thought you can't go wrong.
So good.
This is wasabi.
Wasabi, ahi. It's like so soft, and it's almost buttery because it's like so soft. I love poke, but I feel like the one thing that irks me all the time is when I eat one and it has like those hard pieces and it's like chewy. That makes me like really feel gross. But these have like not had that. It's like such fresh, beautiful cuts that was like smooth, buttery, and creamy. We got mango, lychee, and guava. It has ice cream inside. We got banana back nut ice cream. Delicious. Just me and my ice cream. I'm so excited. I have a huge sweet tooth, so I've been like really craving some nice fresh shaved ice. We're gonna go hiking for dinner time, but I think it's just been raining so much, so we can't. Let me show you guys. Like, it is pouring. So we decided to get dinner instead of going hiking. We're gonna go get a sushi spot. I literally feel like I've only been here for 2 days, but I'm half sushi already, my body. Here we go. This is the outfit. I'm gonna eat sushi. Look at this. It's raining so hard.
That's scary, dude.
That's so
What if it's like a
crazy.
big monster? Because I can't even see that with my own eyes.
So pretty. Get my feet in the water, but it's really dark and I'm kind of scared. Feet. Wait, it's so warm.
Pretty good.
Guys, it's starting to rain. My shirt is getting wet. Oh. I should have made a joke right there. I'm soaked. It's raining so hard. Look like I'm sweating. It's still raining really hard and it looks like we're in the jungle, but we're in the middle of the mall. We're in the jungle.
Oh no.
Wait, look. This jungle is called Internet. I don't know. More. Snorkeling time. My hair looks crazy.
That's awesome.
It's like crunchy and hard. Just swam. Hair is salted. Now we got an acai bowl and a macadamia nut coffee. We're gonna drink that, walk around the North Shore a little bit, and explore. Oh, I'm sunburned. It's super windy today, but here we are at a new beach and we're gonna just check it out and swim. We got here pretty early, so no one's here. But look at how beautiful. Hopefully you can hear me through the wind. I also forgot to bring my mic, so sorry about the audio and the rest of the video. Ta-da! How pretty the water is. Hey guys, wow, I look tan. Nice little tan going on. And I feel like also the salt water is making my skin clear up. Because at the beginning of this trip, I was really stressed because my skin was not good, but look at that. My skin is glowing and thriving here. Hi! Yeah. We got some fresh poke from Foodland. Just look, the poke, a rainbow, and the beach. Whoa! Oh, it stretches across the whole ocean. Wow, it's like it's getting brighter and brighter. Poke, rainbow, ocean. Beautiful. Post swimming, sunburnt, dinner time, and we're eating udon today. Cheers! feel like we ate so good this entire trip. Even if we went to a casual place, everything has been so good so far. Sunset vibes! Cheese! So pretty, it's like cotton candy skies. Aloha everyone, good morning, look at the views. We woke up at 6 a.m. today to take pictures. Still, everyone's an early bird, but this is the outfit. Wait, don't get my toes. Again, but now get my toes. This is my outfit from Dippin' Daisies. And I feel like the blue is making me really tan today. And we're just taking pictures, so you're gonna see it on my Instagram. Got a strawberry matcha, a banana nut matcha. The line was so long and it was so hot, but everything moved really quick. Alright guys, this is our last day in Hawaii. We're packing. It went by so fast. We had so much fun in Hawaii. It's always like a beautiful reset and beautiful time, and I'm so sad to go back home, but that went by so fast. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Bye guys. Say bye. Bye. See you next time.